wanna get no rest. I'm vibing, I ain't even wanna take my meds. Everybody like, what the fuck going on?
Arraignments, affidavits, and them statements, waiting games, so I rated. The numbers double up when niggas label gang related. Plus, I'm in and out of family.
I went to go buy some stuff at Daiso, which is a Japanese store, and everything's $1. I'm about to show you what I got right quick. How cute is this? I got like this little cosmetic heart box for $1, guys. I think there's, I don't know, I think there's I think it's located all over California. These stores are all over California. I bought a little cute shower cap because I don't want my hair smelling like Halloween like always. So this is good for stoners. You're a stoner like me. And I bought some little cheap ass eyelashes. I just wanted to see. I don't know if you guys can see. I just wanted to try them out. They were $1. Like, come on now. They're kind of short compared to the eyelashes that I be wearing, but we could try them out and see, you know. Anyways, let's get on to the video and do my makeup.
No sheep involved, different cloth, yeah, only when the mink involved. Yeah, they young and they just...
So, I'm starting off with my eyebrows in the shade Ebony. I don't know if you guys can see that, but in the shade Ebony, because I used to have black hair, but my regular hair color is coming. And anyway, so I start off in the middle. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I start off in the middle and I just keep going. Just like that. What the fuck?
I had to snatch my goals out, you know what I'm saying, to go diamonds.
Just like that. And I follow my natural shape of my eyebrow, sorry. On top, I kind of make it a little thicker since my eyebrows are kind of a little thin. And then you just shade it in. You just go back, and if you have any spots. And I like my eyebrows very bold, so I always shade them in. Some people don't, but I just don't like no like spots, no missing spots, because I don't want it. You do to this one, you do to this one, and I'll be back because it does take a minute. 1 second, guys. And sorry if my hair's kind of puffy, guys. I just got out the shower. So, and my hair's starting to dry up and it's getting frizzy. But don't mind that. Anyways, I'm just, you guys can see what I'm doing. Just going in the bottom of my brow and cleaning it up with concealer. And the rest of the concealer, I just rub it down. Just bring it. If this happens to you guys and you kind of go over your brow with concealer, you just go back. Nothing major. You just go back, clean it off. And most people don't go on top, but I go on top. I like having it clean all the way. Most people go over it with concealer, but I don't go over it with concealer because I like it clean all the way. So after that, I'm just taking my brush, or my little brush. I don't know what they call these, but my little brush. It's like kind of pointed on my inner corner for a highlight, a little pop of color. That's what I do every single day, for a little pop of color. Just like that. Like that. Now time for eyelashes. So I'm using, they're used already, but these are my favorite. These are my everyday lashes. And I forgot what they're called though, but now we gotta add some eyelashes too.
I just need a little glue right there.
For last, I'm taking foundation. Whoa, is it kind of... Yeah, I'm just taking my foundation, and it's kind of lighter on my forehead, but yeah. So now I'm taking my brush and just like dabbing it, just tapping it. Like,
just dabbing it for more full coverage. And there you have it.
okay guys, so for last, I'm just taking these two shades that I showed you guys. And I'm just rubbing it on my collarbone. I'm just rubbing it on my collarbone. Collarbone, what the fuck? On my cheekbone, sorry. So you just fucking rub it. And same thing to the other side. And then my forehead a little bit.
Al saber que a mi lado no estás, noches de llanto.
Taking that color. And just on my cheekbone. Okay guys, hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely hit that subscribe button. And I'll be making a Q&A. So when I'm stoning and shit, I can answer you guys' questions. So if you guys have any questions or any requests of videos, comment down below. Comment down below. And let me know or ask questions, and I'll give you guys a shout out. But definitely comment. Bye guys.